Tanya and welcome back to my channel TBDMF Love. Today we are back again with another makeup review video. We are going to review My Glam Total Makeover FF Cream. Let me first talk about its packaging. Now the package is white and gold. As usual, all the My Glam products have this packaging. Now this is a beautiful package. If you go inside, you again gonna see a white box with cushion. So yes, this product is safe and sound. Before I open this for you, let me just read out few lines from here. It's a Total Makeover FF Cream, 5-in-1 primer, concealer, foundation, compact, skin tone corrector. So yeah, it claims to be all 5-in-1. So it's absolutely a travel friendly one in that way. So if you see here, it has got again a beautiful mirror. Now this mirror is very high-end quality. So this is orange corrector, this is yellow corrector, and this is your foundation. What they are saying is you don't have to use a primer. Before applying any foundation, we usually use a primer so that it does not affect our skin underneath, and also to make our skin very smooth so that the foundation can glide over it. But here they claim that they do not require a use of primer. Now next is corrector. Now what is corrector? It's specifically your skin tone corrector. Now whatever undertones that you have, it will just make them even. We have this yellow palette as well. So this is the yellow corrector. Now we are using here it as a concealer. There are total 5 shade ranges of this palette, and I'm using the lightest one, which is the latte. Now if you see this latte color here, now this color is very light, and if you see, as per my skin tone, it is very light. But when I actually dab with the sponge, after that it actually mixes with my skin and it does not look so much light. So that is a plus point. I have also seen other YouTubers video who have actually used the darker version than their shade, and still it mixed up. So you don't have to worry much about the shade, what I feel here. There's a small section in this video where I have shown how this palette should be used and how My Glam also claims this palette should be used. So I've used the same techniques on my face.
This is a Total Makeover FF Cream with this glossy cover. Foundation and correctors all 5-in-1. It has a beautiful mirror. I can clearly see my face in it. You can use it while doing your makeup. First, we're going to start with the orange corrector. We're going to apply them under our eyes, corner of our lips and nose. These are usual areas. I'm going to apply on our black spots as well. I know I look like a cow, but wait, it will all mix it up. I'm using this wet sponge from Nykaa and starting to blend this. Oh, I forgot to use this as a mirror. It is really useful, guys. It is a little hard to blend. I'm taking my own time to mix it all up. I'm now going to use the yellow corrector. It is smoother than the orange corrector and better in application. I'm applying it under my eye and on the eyelid. It will enhance the high points of your face. Then with the same sponge, blend all this together. You can very well see the difference between the two sides. One side is completely even. Now I'm going to mix the other half. It's time for foundation, which has the silkiest texture of all. Take some amount in your finger and place it like dots all over your face. Considering the amount of finish, place the dots even closer. We are all done now. I know I look funny. With the use of sponge, again we are going to spread it immediately and dab until everything blends even. For comparison, you can see my two halves and see the color difference between the two. But do not worry, the shade gonna look natural at the end. Keep on blending until everything comes together. Blend, blend, blend. Do it fast so that it does not leave any spots. Here's the finished look. I kind of like it. I can still see my dark spots. It is not a full coverage. Not much difference between my hand and face. Looks very natural.
The cost of this palette is $14.50, and the only thing which I liked about this palette is its feasibility, its compact nature. It has everything in one palette, so that is a plus point. It also comes up with SPF 30, so that is a good thing. Apart from that, I do not really see a reason that you should go and buy this, because first of all, this is not a full coverage. You can see that still I have blemishes here. I can see the uneven things, all uneven tones here. I can see the thin lines over here. So you really do not use it during those times when you really require a heavy makeup. Instead, you just want to hang out with your friends and party. Secondly, the correctors, mostly people do not use it. Before using this palette, the only one thing which I used is moisturizer. You need to moisturize your face very much because this palette makes it dry. Best bet in this palette will be to use it during summer season when your skin tends to moisturize more or is not dry. I literally failed when I applied it in winter season. I would say this is not a good buy, but yeah, goodbye to this product. All the beginners, you still can use this palette, and the only reason will be it's travel friendly, but still you require a makeup sponge with this. I hope you like this video and it was useful for you, it was informative, and you're gonna take a wise decision after this. If you find this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get regular updates on my channel. I hope you guys are all safe and sound at home, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.